Leo is a poor boy. He lives in a small house with his mother. The house has 2 rooms. There is a small kitchen and a bed. There is no TV. There is no fan. The roof is old. When it rains, water comes in. But Leo does not cry. He smiles. He says, "I will try my best." Leo wakes up early every morning. He gets up at 6 o'clock. He washes his face. He puts on his old shirt. It has a small hole. He has only 2 shirts. One is blue, one is white. He wears his shoes. His shoes are old, but he still uses them. He takes his bag. His bag is very light. There are only 2 books and 1 pen inside. He walks to school. He does not take a bus. He cannot take a bike. He walks for 30 minutes. The road is long. There are trees and birds. Sometimes the sun is hot. Sometimes the road is wet. But Leo walks. He does not stop. He says, "I can do it." At school, Leo is happy. He likes to learn. He sits in the front row. He listens to the teacher. He opens his book. He writes in his notebook. He reads the words out loud. He says them many times. He likes English. He says, "I want to speak English. I will learn." The teacher asks questions. Leo raises his hand. He says the answers. Sometimes he is right, sometimes he is not. But he tries. The teacher smiles. She says, "Good job, Leo." His friends also try. They read together. They help each other. During break time, Leo sits under a tree. He eats a banana. It is his lunch. He does not have rice or meat, but he is still happy. He says, "This banana is sweet, I like it." After lunch, he goes back to class. At the end of the day, Leo walks home. He thinks about new words. He says them again and again. He sees children with toys. He sees people in cars. He smiles. He says, "One day I will help my family. I will do good things." Leo is a poor boy, but he has a big heart. He works hard. He studies every day. He does not give up. He believes in a better life. He believes he can change his story. After school, Leo goes to the market. His mother is there. She has a small fruit stall. She sells bananas, oranges, and mangoes. There are many people at the market. Some are loud, some are kind. Leo smiles at everyone. He helps his mother every day. He carries the heavy fruit boxes. He cleans the table. He puts the fruit in rows. He says, "What fruit do you want today?" He gives change to customers. He counts the money slowly. He wants to do it right. Sometimes people ask, "Where is your school?" Leo says, "It is near the river. I go there every morning." They say, "You are a good boy." After the market closes, Leo and his mother walk home. They are tired, but they smile. At home, Leo takes a short rest. Then, he starts to study. He reads his book. He writes new words many times. He speaks the words out loud. He wants to remember them. He says, "I can learn. I will not stop." His mother watches him. She says, "You work hard. I am proud of you." Leo feels happy. He says, I want to be a teacher. I want to help other children. His mother nods. She says, yes, you can. I believe in you. Some nights there is no light. The power goes out. But Leo still studies. He uses a small candle. He reads slowly. He writes carefully. He does not waste time. He knows time is important. Leo is not rich, but he is rich in hope. He works hard every day. He helps his mother. He studies. He dreams. He says, I might be poor today, but I will be strong tomorrow. He knows hard work brings change, and Leo is ready for that change. One day, Leo was reading a story in class. His teacher walked by and stopped. She watched him read. She said, Leo, you read very well. Do you read at home? Leo said, yes, I read every night. I want to speak English. I want to learn more. The teacher smiled. She went to her table and took out a book. It was new. It had a red cover. She gave it to Leo. She said, this is for you. You work very hard. I hope this book helps you. Leo looked at the book. He was very happy. He said, thank you, teacher. I will read this book every day. Leo took the book home. He showed it to his mother. She said, that is a good book. You must read it and learn. Leo opened the book and started reading. The words were new, but he tried. He used his pencil to write the new words in his notebook. He read the same page many times. The next day he went to school and showed the book to his friend. He said, look, my teacher gave me this book. His friend said, that is nice. Can I read it too? Leo said, yes, we can read it together. At break time, they sat under the tree and read the book. They helped each other with the words. The teacher saw them and smiled. She said, that is good. Helping each other is the best way to learn. Leo felt proud. He said, I will write a story one day. The teacher said, you can do it, Leo. Just keep trying. 1 week later, Leo wrote a short story. He gave it to the teacher. She read it and said, this is a good start. I am proud of you. Leo smiled. He said, I will write more stories. I will be better. The teacher said, I know you will. Leo's teacher was kind. She saw his hard work. She gave him hope. She gave him a chance. Leo did not forget this. He said, a good teacher can change a life. And she did. Leo has a big dream. He wants to be a teacher. He wants to help poor children. He wants to give them hope. He says, I will study hard. I will be strong. I will never stop. Each night, Leo writes in his notebook. He writes, I can do it. I will help my family. I will help other children. His mother sees the notebook. She smiles. She says, you will be a good teacher one day. Leo also dreams about a new school. He wants to build a small school in his village. He says, there are many children here. They do not go to school. They need help. I want to teach them. I want to show them that they can learn too. One day, his teacher asks the class, "What do you want to be?" Leo stands up. He says, "I want to be a teacher. I want to teach English. I want to help children like me." The class claps. The teacher smiles. She says, "That is a good dream, Leo. Keep going." Years pass. Leo keeps working. He studies at night. He reads many books. He learns new things every day. He helps his mother. He teaches young children in the village. He says, "Let us read together. Let us write together. You can learn too." Then one day, Leo finishes school. He becomes a real teacher. He wears a white shirt. He stands in front of many children. He smiles and says, "Today is a new day. Let us learn. Let us grow." Leo is not a poor boy now. He is a teacher with a big heart. He remembers his old house. He remembers the market. He remembers the kind teacher. He says, "I am here today because of love, hope, and hard work." Leo's dream came true. And now he helps others dream too.